I just turned myself into a video game character with AI. No modeling, no sculpting, just one image. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it too. What's up everyone? Today I'm using Tripo, an AI tool that turns an image or even just text into a real 3D model. We are gonna make 3 game characters. One of them is gonna be me, we'll animate one and export everything into Blender. Let's go! First, head to tripo3d.ai, my link's in the description. That opens Studio. This is where everything happens. Right away you will see 2 engines at the top. Smart Mesh, that's speed, clean typology, game ready in about 2 seconds. And the HD model, that's high detail up to 2 million polygons with photoreal texture. Same workspace, 2 tools, you just pick what you need. Let's start fast. First character, a game style girl I want to bring into 3D. I will pick image to model, then just drag and drop the image right here. For Smart Mesh the settings are simple, topology and poly count. I leave them on default, hit generate model. And that fast, we already got a full 3D mesh. Let me spin her around. Okay, that's clean, like really clean. Look at this topology, even tidy, no messy geometry anywhere. I can zoom right in, rotate, check every angle and it holds up. Honestly, for 2 seconds of work this quality is kind of crazy. This is already game ready. You could drop it into Unity or Unreal today, zero cleanup. Now for the fun one. This character, it's me. Well, me if I were in a video game. I always wondered what I look like as a character in something like Fortnite. So I'm using a stylized image of myself. This time I switch to HD model. I'll turn on Ultra Mesh quality, switch on 8K texture, there's a free trial for that, and keep the engine on V3.1, the best quality one. Anyone can try this 8K generation, 8K texture and 8K image enhancement features once for free without using any points. Hit generate. Okay, let me see this. Wait, no way. That's me. That's actually me as a 3D character. This is wild. Let me zoom in on the textures. This is 8K, real 8K, and it came out in under 2 minutes. Look at the fabric, the stitching, the little details on the gear. Here's the before and after. That jump in quality, it's crazy. Quick tip, if you already made the model somewhere else and the texture looks flat, you can import it and upgrade it to 8K in one click. No need to start over. Third character, and this time I'm not using any image at all. I'll stay on Smart Mesh and switch to text to model. I just type what I want, an anime style samurai warrior, long black ponytail, red and white armor with her katana strap on her back. I also turn on T-pose, that way the model comes out clean and ready to rig. Tripo even has built-in image generation, so you can create the image right here and turn it into 3D in the same place. Generate, and here's our third character, clean and sharp. Now let's bring it to life. On the left I click animate. For the AI model I will use V1.0, that's the one built for humanoid characters. It auto-rigs the model for me, I don't touch a single bone. Then I just pick a motion, let's go with run, and look, full body motion, smooth, lifelike. Let me try jump 2, same thing, instant. Making a model it's cool, but watching it move, that's the part that sells it. Okay, a model's only useful if it fits your real workflow. So let's export. Tripo gives you all the formats you need, GLB, FBX, OBJ and more. But the easiest way, this send to button. One click and it goes straight to Blender. And it's not just Blender. Maya, 3D Max, Unity, Unreal, there's all right here. So everything you make plugs right into the tools you already use. So here's the big thing with Tripo. Most AI 3D tools give you something fast, but the output is rough. Low quality stuff you can't really use. Tripo gives you both speed and quality. We went all the way up to 8K textures. And think about this, making a game with AI it's easier than ever now. The one thing that still make a game stand out is the characters. And that's exactly where Tripo shines, clean, detailed, animated characters made in minutes. Use code TRIPOCREW to get 60% off your first month of the Pro plan for under $8. New user who sign up through the link will also receive 500 bonus credits. For the kind of quality you are getting, that's honestly a steal. If you wanna try this yourself, my exclusive link is in the description. Go make something or make yourself in 3D and tell me in the comments what character would you build first. See you in the next one.